I'm gonna do. Today I'm going to do a makeover of my table, golden table. I just sand this out, and well, let's see which paint I'm gonna do. I will tell you time to time, okay? This paint is crown. What is that? That's a matte. What? Matte one. And these white one. Well, let's see. Oh, let's go. Let's do it. Bye. So here is one coating, and then we wait for a little while to dry, and then we will coat second coat, and if we need we will do for third coat. See you after third coat. This, the final coat is done. There is shade, nothing paint in it. How is that? I think that's pretty amazing. So that's it. No, देख ले कहानी, यानी कि स्टोरी अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. क्या? The next step going. We need masking tape and obviously scissor. Okay, sorry about the background sounds because I'm working on my backyard. So right, what we need, we make a design, any design. I'm going to do geometrical design. So well, let's see how it's work. Now with the next step, what we need to secure the sides of the table, and then obviously cut that. Okay, right, make it secure because I want the border white. Yeah. Okay, now what next?
Around there.
I'm just making a random design, right? Need to cut that there. Okay, we will secure that later. I think I secure properly. Now I'm gonna do a royal blue color in it. Well, let's see how it's work. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's beautiful color blue. Ooh, let's go. Hey, कितना सोना है ये. it I do? Okay, anyway, I tape that and I paint that 2 times, but I'm not that happy because I don't like these kind of lines. There is little patchy, so I will wait to dry and then do another coat. Now I'm gonna do golden color, so I tape that square blue color and white, yeah, like this patchy, I don't know where to wear, like this, yeah. Now let's start it again. Look at the golden color. Does look nice anyway. Here I remove older tapes and add the blue tape, new tape, because I don't want white a lot, so I want blue, so I add that tape. There you go. So it's a fun time. So there is a final look of my table. Look at this, so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm so happy and I'm so impressed. So there you go, you can do it. Okay, first we need to sandpaper for excess oil and the color of different table. So we need to older color for this. What you need, the sandpaper 80 grades, 80 grade, when take out every color, right? And what we need for after when you're sanding, and I as I already told you in my video, this is 2.5 grades, very fine, that one, 250. And what I experience masking tape is not work. That's blue tape store, and you know, so that's blue is work rather than masking tape. I did not get a good experience. I don't want to be you do further, you know, work hard on it. And then I use, as I show you, the one white feather number 604. It's a LA Decoration by Crown. That is a matte one, matte paint you can use on wall and wood, as matte paint is very trendy. So, and what I need is same company, but I use number 251. It's a blue. When you get for your business, it's a number 251. So, and what I go around random hardware shop. I get this gold paint, the RUSTINS, I don't know the company, I don't know, you can buy from anywhere. And then what I do in the last, I just need varnish. I know the matte is good though, but I have a kit, so I definitely recommend this varnish to shine your table, yeah, and brushes, of course. That's it. Okay, hope you enjoy my video, and thank you so much. Let me know and send me your photos, your DIY, and we'll see you on next video. Thank you, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like and share. I love this.